The Santa Claus rally is in effect. This is Des here at Grok Trade on Monday, December 17th, 2012. Have you ever made one of those mistakes that you wish you hadn't? I was holding an inverse ETF on the bank's FAZ and didn't realize until today at late day that I was still holding FAZ. So I'm out of the trade now, but anyway, man, that's a lesson learned. Always keep track of your positions that you're in and don't let them get by you. Anyway, 2 days prior, it was doing really well for me, but gave it all back plus some today. Let's take a look here at the S&P daily. S&P up 1.2%, the Dow up 0.76%, Nasdaq up 1.3%, the Russell's up 1.4%, banks up 1.7%. Ouch, that is a heart-breaking percentage for me right now. VEX down 3.9%, down hovering just above 16 now. Gold up 0.2%, silver up a fraction, crude oil up 0.6%, and break even here on the US dollar. Trend down 0 to 0.48. Take a look here. Nice little pop today on the S&P. Drop and a pop, and what's interesting here is we have a trend line, resistance, we broke up through there, so nice little bounce off these moving averages. The moving averages are all coiling together. You can see how tightly they're coming together there, the rising 20-day. A lot of times that will give us a nice rally or a drop. Right now we're on the rally side of things with a lot of upside potential here, unimpeded, to about 1460 area. Something for us to be watching. If you take a look here at the weekly chart, you can see that we're going up. The question is, can we make a new higher high from last week? We might see a lot of selling coming into that, but after all, we are doing a Santa Claus rally. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple came down here. Apple's low 501. There's that $500 buying opportunity, and I did not partake of that. Matter of fact, I didn't look at Apple today, unfortunately, because when it got to that trend line right there, this is the trend line we had forever, touched it and rallied. So chances are we're going to see a lot of upside potential on Apple right now. Be watching Apple if the markets stay bullish. Google had a monster pop, but it gave a lot of it back by day's end. And Facebook, lower high, lower low. Doji had a rising 20-day moving average. So we could be getting a bounce here, but we did close below an area of this 2685 that we shouldn't really have. It'd been better for it to go higher. Well, I told you my blunder. Tell me yours. What's the biggest trading mistake you've ever made? Put it in the details below. So there you have it. The very best technical analysis right here at Grok Trade. Thank you for being a user and a part of those viewers from 155 countries. Share us with a friend.